fried right now.
Why?
What is my hair?
The Wi-Fi's right here.
I'm tired.
Yo, good morning.
Arrivederci.
What is this place?
Welcome, North Carolina. Take your shirt off.
We're here. RTR vehicles, baby. The holy grail. Chelsea Denofa just won the championship, and we are here to do something very special with the whole team.
We got some special XLs that we built for the Funhaver team. Now we're here to shoot some special content. Ready to rock. As the logo says, we're ready to rock.
I definitely want to test it
Yeah,
and see what maximum width we can get.
this is gonna be sick.
You guys go 30, you can clear a car.
We saw the Italian game
Yeah.
show. We know what you guys are capable of.
Yeah, I eat shit.
There you go, Charlie.
It's guaranteed, you know.
Is the other one smooth or is this one shit?
Just like a metal sign.
Put a road sign or something.
Yeah. A slippery when wet sign?
Yeah,
Is that what you need?
Slippery one wet.
Okay.
Woo! It's gonna be sick.
It's gonna get wild.
Let's do it.
Who's dying first?
With or without.
Can't clap, but you can do this. Let's take one of the Mustangs, go back to the Airbnb, jump on track.
Just blend in. One more time.
You guys seen this video? One more.
Wait.
Did they screw it on? Oh, easily. All right, who's gonna do it first?
Nope.
Two more feet. Once that gap goes back, it changes the whole thing, though.
First supply, baby.
It feels way better than I.
Keep going.
We're a bit further than we wanted to be.
It'll be good. How to throttle. Yo. Make sure you throttle. Dude.
What the? It's so stuck.
You're gonna dent my ramp.
There we go.
Dude.
Fresh powder coat.
Oh. Yo, go through sideways. Let's go. No, Charlie, drift through here.
Hell yeah.
We have to confirm we can make it before we get out.
What are you thinking? Who's
If I
going?
go full send,
It's like, how much should we actually move it? A full.
It's just very, because you can't see it.
I don't know.
it's scary as shit.
Yeah, I don't want to make you do it if you don't
One
want
of
to.
us could. I don't know, it's just like a huge jump and it like rattles the front and then I'm like,
Yeah.
Yo, forklift ready? All right.
split the wood.
All right, ramp testing. Ramp testing, take 3. Who's going to try it first? Or all 3 going? Who's going?
I'll go. I'm just waiting for you to get back.
All right, ramp testing, take 3. All right, everyone's got a little too comfortable.
Snug it up because the hook's gonna fall off.
Very lightly. Ah! More. Ah!
So sick. We are in the lab.
Yo, cast a clap. Oh, on the road.
The jump at night. The jump at night.
I just saw this, and I'm like, what is this?
Oh, so you're just learning about it too. That's sick. That's sick.
So evidently the ball got dropped and it didn't get brought to the podium.
Dude, I know.
That's pretty sick.
It's sick.
We're here at RTR Lab with Vaughn and Chelsea.
We're here to do a super sick video unveiling these 2 carts we built for them.
You guys want to see him set it on our stage 5s? We're about to go live.
All right.
Let's go.
I'm stoked. It's like Christmas in whatever month this is.
I know.
Yo, this colorway.
Dude, sick. Look at this thing.
With the brake.
Stoppy.
You got Type S's already ready?
I feel like I'm about to get
Then we
wrecked
gotta
with
turn
this.
on your
Lights.
Type S lighting.
Dude.
Look at this welding. Is this brazed?
Dude, silicone brazed.
What?
That's why I was like, this one's yours. I had to do this one extra special to make it
look at
extra
that.
baller. Silicone brazed, all the little gussets on, and these are
that's
stainless
cool.
that I
It's
brushed.
actually also cleared over top of the stainless with the powder. So he powdered it, taped it, removed the taping, so he showed all of those, and sucked the powder back off of the brazing, and then cleared all the stainless so it doesn't.
Yo,
like,
shop just got an upgrade, bro.
Dude, this is sick.
Right, the whole kit, right? So you've got 1,000 watt, your 48 volt now, brake kit, upgraded front fork, and then the stage 5
so these
package.
forks are stronger too. There's some that I modify. I put a solid tube in the neck, and I plug weld it into the neck, and then I put a little brace on the outside.
So the headset's straight. Or the steering wheel pulls out.
You guys are amazing.
Get a handle on it before you floor it. Yeah, that sounds about right.
Ah, the brake is sick. Stay on throttle when you use the brake and you'll stay in drift. If you do it without gas, then you'll drift. Okay. I don't want to scratch these things.
I don't know where he's going.
Freestyle, bro. Isn't that what you want to do? Is freestyle?
Just stoppy. Floor it and
Yeah, you can stop it.
lean forward.
I was gonna try to spin it around. It doesn't spin. I got it already, dude.
No one has.
Ooh, smooth.
I was giving the look. This is sick, guys. Thank you so much.
The smiles on your face have made the way.
Dude, that's what these things do, dude.
Yeah, just watching you guys fool around.
We've been talking about this for a while.
Yeah.
And I love this. It's
so good.
Dude, how many people are
drivers
driving?
in the world?
The 3 of us and you 2.
Okay, perfect.
Five of the exact same essential part.
Okay.
All stage 5.
So we're gonna shoot wide to get all the
Follow us. You just ride off of it.
Chelsea's so ready to die on the jump right now.
No, that's what I'm looking forward to.
It was scary for us at first, and we said.
Yeah, but you've already done it, so I know it can be done.
Yeah.
Hey Siri, I forgot my words. Okay, here we go.
Shot moment.
Oh, who are you calling? Or hang
I didn't
up.
press the button. It's my Hey Siri.
Yeah, turn that shit off, dude.
I think it's calling someone.
It's calling somebody right now.
Oh my god, I don't know.
That's what I'm saying. You're gonna hang up? It's like,
Hey Siri, taxi garage Funhaver.
you can roll out of that scenario.
Oh no,
That
the
is
jump you
gonna-
cannot roll out of.
Oh,
The jump
you just
is-
gotta go fast enough.
Exactly.
That's it.
What the hell was that?
3, 2, 1, action!
I'm good. I'm stack.
Okay, oh, you're dipping from there?
I figured 1 of 4 would get it.
Oh, that's a perfect spot to hit it.
Shit, I don't know, man. I just work here.
Ta-da!
That was great. That was awesome. It was really good acting. That's why I was laughing.
The eye level is perfect.
The package in the window is
So funny.
Be like you're watching, and it's like an out-of-body experience where you just
We were
edit
saying
you
like the
in.
dream vision, you close your eyes and you see yourself floating.
He's like,
Cody, would you say this type S power block is badass?
Oh, dude, it's been powering us all night. All these lights.
And we still got, we're at 25%.
Very cool. Very fucking cool.
Hey!
that's a wrap.
That's what I call a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Ooh, this inebriator is so cool.
You got me kill.
Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. I got it. Stand by. Hey Siri, taxi garage Funhaver mode.